New tonight, we often tell you about suspects or crimes that they are accused of committing, but we don't always talk about the victims and the struggles they experience. As Cindi TV's Lacey Crisp shows us, one community is hoping to help victims navigate the justice system.
One of my prosecutors calls me a victim whisperer because I understand trauma. I've done a lot of trauma training.
Imagine being the victim of a crime, suffering the stress and trauma, then having to navigate your way through the justice system. It can be inundating and intimidating.
I just try to keep a calm voice, a calm presence, just to relax the situation.
Cindi Newsome is a victim's advocate and has just been hired on by Hilliard full-time to ensure victims have a guiding hand through the process.
To people who had no idea, if you've never been involved in the criminal justice system as a victim, you've never been a victim, never been through that trauma, you wouldn't understand how important ensuring those rights for somebody is.
While Hilliard doesn't have a large caseload, they are joined by 9 other cities on a contractual basis to have Newsome work with victims. Under Marcy's law, it is now required to have an advocate.
Everybody wanted to, but you always have to budget needs. How do you pay for it?
Dawn Steele is a staff attorney in the Hilliard Law Department and says Newsome will help provide services even before there is a criminal case.
But it is such an important role, and in working with the police department, the more that we could do to help people, provide resources to victims, and to help support them and end that cycle of violence.
Newsome is excited for the new role and is looking forward to those she can help.
It's a lot for victims to deal with. And my job is just to give them the information, help them make the best decision that they can, but ultimately their decisions are theirs.
In Hilliard, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.